Hey guys, it's Angel. So today we are going on a little field trip. I ordered an Instant Pot Mini. Well, actually I should say I'm lucky enough to score an Instant Pot Mini from the Amazon Treasure Truck, and that means I got it like 30% or 40% off. It seems like a really good deal. I've never used an Instant Pot before, so I'm really excited to try this out. And if you're not familiar what Instant Pot is, it's basically a all-in-one multi-pot pressure cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, rice maker, slow cooker. Pretty much touts itself to do everything and anything. So I want to try it out. It was a good deal. It was under $50 and there might be some other goodies with it, but I'm super excited to go to this Amazon Treasure Truck location. I've never been, and today's pickup is at a Whole Foods location. So I'm gonna go there and check it out. So hopefully today will be a fun day. So today's Amazon Treasure Truck stop location is at a Whole Foods out in Redmond, Washington. So I'm gonna head out there. I've got about another half an hour before I get there, and before the Treasure Truck stop location closes and the truck drives away. So if you've never been to a Amazon Treasure Truck before, they basically give you 2-hour windows to pick up your items, and if you are not there within the 2 hours, it's too bad, so sad for you. And we got lucky today because it is not raining. Aww, and I may have spoken too soon. There's some raindrops on the window. So I've never been to this Whole Foods out in Redmond before, so I need my directions from my phone.
Turn right onto 178th Place Northeast.
Thanks, Siri. Alright, we're here. And I just gotta find some parking. Then we'll go look for the treasure truck. Yay, made it with 10 minutes to spare. And the treasure truck is just right over there. Gosh, this looks so fun. I just need to get my receipt up on my phone, and I have a code which works as my pickup slip. So I'll just show this to them, and I will get my Instant Pot.
Hey, you're closing up shop on me.
I know. Sorry.
There we go. Thank you guys.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Have you been to the treasure truck before?
I haven't. No,
You
this is
haven't?
my first time.
Oh.
Do you mind if I film?
No, go ahead.
Okay.
Is it like
It's
filming
for
this?
YouTube.
What's it for?
It's for my YouTube channel.
Your YouTube channel? I'm on YouTube.
Maybe you will be, if that's okay.
Yeah, okay, well we're picking up the
Okay.
Amazon Treasure Truck right now.
Yay!
Here, okay. And here is your Instant Pot. Got your coupon tucked inside there. Don't let it
Yay!
fly away.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Alright, it's kind of heavy, so I'm gonna head back to my car and then we can open this up. Alright, so we are back in my car, and look at this. I am so excited. I have this Instant Pot Mini right here. Plus, they give you this coupon for $10 off your purchase of $40 or more at Whole Foods. And we all know that at Whole Foods, $40 is super easy to spend. So now let's check out the box. So it looks like you can do all these things on the Instant Pot. They've got slow cooker, rice cooker, yay, steamer, food warmer, pressure cooker. I don't have a pressure cooker, so this is gonna be great. Yogurt maker, yum, and saute. Another side view. And apparently Instant Pots are really popular, especially for people who are busy professionals, because it's kind of like a slow cooker. They have tons of programmable recipes where you just put everything in there and you press a button and it cooks super quick. And one pot cleanup too. Let's do a little bit of an unboxing. All right, put my camera here. Stay, camera, stay. Oh, nice. You get a rice paddle, soup spoon, measuring cup. User's manual. Oh, and they give you a little recipe booklet too. Vanilla yogurt, yes. Raspberry cheesecake. Wow, you can make cheesecake in this? Creme brulee. Okay, I haven't even unboxed it fully and I am super excited to try this thing out. All right, what else do we have here? We got rice paddle and spoons. I'm sorry guys if my voice sounds a bit weird. I'm still recovering from my bronchitis, so I'm not sounding up to my normal self. Next up is cord. And wow. Okay, gotta get this out. Hang on, I need 2 hands for this. So this is what it looks like. It's actually not very big. Let's check it out inside. So inside, there's a little container. This is like the rice bowl. So it looks like you can do different pressure cookers here. There is rice, porridge, steamer, soup, meat stew, bean chili, slow cook, saute. That is interesting. Pressure level, okay, yogurt. Basically, there are a lot of features on this machine. The one that I'm probably interested in trying the most actually is the yogurt mode. I would love to make my own yogurt at home, and matcha yogurt sounds really, really good. So thinking about doing that. So that is the Instant Pot Mini Duo. It's not as big as I thought it would be, which is good because I don't really need a big pot and I don't want to take up too much counter space. So this will be very interesting to try out. Now I know the Instant Pot is really popular, so I'm sure some of you who are watching have tried the Instant Pot, have one, and have a ton of recipes. And I want to know what your experience is with it. Do you guys love your Instant Pot? I know some people who absolutely swear by it and bring it with them even when they travel. So post in the comments below and let me know how you're loving your Instant Pot, what kind of Instant Pot you have, and what kind of recipes you make. And if you're interested in seeing me try out some recipes, maybe some Asian recipes in this Instant Pot, give me a thumbs up and post in the comments below and let me know. And if there's enough feedback, people who want to see those recipes, I might just do a video for you. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and this little mini field trip to the Amazon treasure track. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I always want to know if you guys like these little mini vlogs. And until then, take care guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!